Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by switching the Steam Deck into desktop mode and confirming the system is up to date. This avoids driver hiccups. Next, make sure you have enough storage available. Use a micro SD if internal space is tight, because streaming app caches can grow. Once done, open Discover or enable Flatpak so you can install non-Steam apps. You're preparing the environment first. That lets the actual app installs go smoothly and keeps performance stable while you move forward. Now install the streaming clients. Search Discover for Steam Link, Moonlight, or Lutris and install the Flatpak builds to avoid sandbox issues. If a required client is Windows only, use Proton or Bottles to run it. This preserves compatibility. After installation, set permissions and enable controller support so the deck's inputs map correctly. Once configured, add the app to Steam as a non-Steam game so you can launch it in gaming mode. This makes switching between handheld UI and desktop apps seamless. Finish by pairing your deck with the host PC or streaming service and run a quick latency test while monitoring frame drops. Make sure hardware decoding is enabled to reduce CPU load and assign controller profiles so buttons feel natural. If you hit problems, restart the streaming app and the host, verify firewall and network settings, and temporarily lower resolution or bitrate to eliminate stutter. One key tip: test wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi first. Poor wireless is the most common cause of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.